Well, friends, let me share a very small secret, very important secret. Mr. Narayan Murthy was on a visit of 3 countries. In spite of the severe jet lag he had, he still agreed to keep his commitment and come to Indore. Yesterday when we received him at the airport, we saw he was fairly exhausted, and obviously he has recouped himself to be able to come to you today. और आज हमने ये जो 2 दिन की नॉलेज गुरुकुल की व्यवस्था की है, शायद उसके गुरु मंत्र आपको अभी ही मिल गए हैं। इससे अच्छा गुरु मंत्र कोई नहीं दे सकता है। Whatever he had said today, as I mentioned to you that if you listen carefully, it may change your life. His advice, I recall a very small thing that when Mr. Narayan Murthy with 6 of his friends started something, a small company with I think about 10 people he had, I read it somewhere. Mr. Narayan Murthy was insistent that anything which is done in that company should be world class. Even if a window is cleaned, if the road is swept, he always used to tell people working there it should be world class. And that world class culture ingrained into the people and the organization has made Infosys what it is today. And those are the Guru Mantras he has given, telling us that be the change that you want others to be. Pride in what you do, or lead by example, and other things. Sir, we are very thankful to you sharing your experiences and thought process. Indore Management Association, sir, has been in the forefront of management knowledge dissemination in Central India, having won continuously 10 local management association awards from All India Management Association. Sir, we have, having come this far, have taken an onerous task on ourselves that in the management discipline, this association in India will focus on leadership as a prime task on which deliberation should be held. We have a dream that in next 5 years' time, this IMA conclave should become the leadership Davos for Central East Asia, Southeast Asia. We have dedicated all our efforts towards building leadership traits, and towards this each year we conduct 2 very popular competitions. One competition is QFL, Quest for Leaders, which is done for management students on the theme topic of the conclave, and another competition is YMC, Young Manager Competition, where young professionals from each individual companies are invited to give their dissertation as well as talk about the new thought processes on the topic. The competition for 2011 was held. Sir, we will be honored if you would be kind enough to give away the prizes for this competition. I would request Sri Ravi Mohan ji to kindly invite our chief guest, Mr. Narayan Murthy, to give away the prizes. I will be reading out the names of the winners, and they can come on the stage one by one and take their prizes. The first prize is in the QFL, that is the students competition. Second runner-up was Delhi College Business School. The first runner-up was Prestige Institute of Management. and the winner in the category of the QFL was Core Business School.